Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie. If you are new, welcome. On this day, I am tackling this laundry room. It was just a mess. Tossing in a load of laundry, and then I'm just gonna start pulling everything out because it's just unorganized, and I got some new shelving I wanted to put in here to help keep things a little bit more organized. I am a coupon shopper. I love to coupon, so I needed some more space, and I've just been stuff I've been getting, I just been putting it right there in the floor, so it's just been in the way. So it's just time to get this mess cleaned up. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it is jamie.p12. And there was just so much stuff stuck in this little cubby hole beside my washer, and the hot water heater is in that little cubby hole as well, behind that little wall. And my daughter Stormy is helping me. I think if she wasn't helping me, it would have taken me a lot longer to get all of this actually completely done. So I was just grateful that she decided she wanted to help me on this day. And also, I have a living room makeover video coming very soon. I am working on it this week, and I can't wait to get it done and see the transformation. It's just going to be so pretty. If it turns out the way I have it all envisioned, it's going to be gorgeous, and I cannot wait to get it done, and I cannot wait to show y'all. And also in my living room makeover video, I will be doing decorating for fall as well. And on Wednesday, I will be uploading my fall haul. And once I got everything moved out of the way, I had dropped a thing of the Unstoppable beads, and after getting everything moved out of the way, I found so much more that I dropped, and I just couldn't believe how dirty the floor was under that bookshelf. It was just so dusty and just gross. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apologize. My dogs in the background are playing. I'm sorry about the noise and the distraction. But right here I am putting up the new shelving. And I bought this at Lowe's. It was on sale for $64. It was a good investment. They're heavy duty and I like them. It's better than some of the other shelving I have out in my shed and in another closet. Because I originally had bought the shelving unit for my pantry because my shelves in there, and if y'all have seen my last couple of videos, it was about to give any day. So we wanted to go ahead and replace it before the shelves actually gave, but that would not fit in my pantry. So I had to get something a little bit smaller to fit in there. So, and I didn't want to take this back because it was heavy duty and I wanted to keep it. So I decided to put it in my laundry room to hold my stockpile, my toilet paper, Lysol, laundry stuff, just cleaning products, all that good stuff. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe. And when you hit the bell notification button, it will let you know every time I upload a new video. And go follow me over on Instagram at jamie.p12. And right here, I'm just trying to decide exactly where I wanted it. I ended up leaving it right there, and that gave me a little hole right over back there to put other things and just kind of get it out of the way. So I ended up leaving it right there. So now I am just going to start putting everything back on there as my daughter brings it in and hands it to me. Get all my laundry soaps put back up there and organized. So this gave me so much more room so I could get all of my laundry products in like one section on one shelf. Because before it was in like two different shelves. I had my laundry stuff. So with it being with this shelf, I can get so much more in there and get it more organized. And I'm happy the way it all came out. And for the rest of the time, I'm not going to be talking. I'm just going to play music, and I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday.